Ma'am, wala naman talaga sa budget ng seniors ang mag-Rolex.
How much the total right now?
1299 plus 979. That's equals to 2,278,000.
We will not forget this and we will not forget you.
What's up guys? Another watch, another day. Taas tayo dun. So nire-request lang tayo because they wanna try and buy 2 watches and they want to just negotiate with me daw. Kaya tara, negotiate natin. Hindi ko pagbibigyan to. Ako use to ha. Hindi kayo, samahan niyo ako.
Nasa baba sila.
Pinababa mo?
Oo. Nagkagulo ba?
Dito na.
Panigin ko lang.
Talaga oh.
Pinks, nakita mo?
Pinks. Shades.
Naka-shades.
Kahit nasa mall. Dito oh, habang wala yung kliyente oh. Wala yung aura ko dito boy. Baka matalo ka sa negotiations eh. Iba talaga powers ko dito oh.
Hey, sir.
Hi Rio! Kamusta?
Oo, okay naman.
Ayun, client mo, dyan na? Binubulsa mo ah!
Kasi hindi ko alam na akin kayo eh.
Si Ma'am yung client. Si Ma'am Rio, our new salesperson. Di ba nakita mo? Hi sir! How are you? Hi, nice to meet you po. Kamusta?
Wala, walk-in lang kami.
Okay lang kayo?